Research and development is at the core of what we're doing here. If you want to make a good design, you need to start from the right material. It's important that we identify the relevant trends. My name's Mark Bircham. I'm Managing Director here at Kronospan Limited in Malta. We are responsible for the design development for all of the product categories for decorative products within the Kronospan group of companies. Clearly the main inspiration is going to be Mother Nature, the natural beauty and capturing the fine nuances of the material, the colour play and the general character. Our process starts with trend identification and creating a design brief, and then the next stage along is really all about finding and treating and creating the look that we're after. So we'll move on to material sourcing, which in some cases we'll buy a whole tree, in some cases we'll buy veneer, commercial artworks, salvage materials, depending on what it is we're looking for. And then we move on to, let's say, the creative phase, where we're actively using our in-house carpentry to make creative finishing. In some cases quite exotic creative finishing with multiple treatments and layers, and in some cases fairly minimal treatments, because this is the material that we're working with, and we're trying to get quite a natural look. Once we've found the magic recipe for the materials we're looking at, then we move across to the next stage, which is the digitalization, which is effectively scanning, taking a big industrial size photograph of the materials we're working with, and then we're printing these out, and we're making what's really a giant jigsaw puzzle, and we are working with the pieces to try and find the appropriate pieces that work to give us a harmonious, well-balanced pattern. Part of the process that we go through is to digitally manipulate the data, primarily in Photoshop, where we're making corrections to defects or elements that we'd like to change so that we get an overall well-balanced picture. So there are a few common themes that run through our new Chrono Design Global Collection update for 2023. One is to do with the play or the importance of the surface textures. And here we've made quite a large step forward in terms of the quality of finishing. We've developed 4 new designs, all of which are very matte infused, which is very much important at the moment and certainly on trend. We've developed 2 very realistic synchronized designs where the design and the texture work in harmony together. This product offering is the result of a lot of research, a lot of development, and a lot of years of feedback and working together with our customers to understand what they find important. We are now very confident that this is the most comprehensive and definitive collection of wood-based panel products for decorative purposes on the market today, and give the architects and the designers the tools they need to make the perfect furniture.